What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to make $100 per day online, even if you don't have any investment. It doesn't require money to make money. Yes, it makes it easier, makes your life go a little bit faster, but it's not a necessity. So, what I want to show you today is an actual method that I use to make money. So one of the reasons why I use $100 a day as your threshold is simply because $100 a day, $3,000 a month will change most people's lives. I don't care what walk of life you come from, if you're a millionaire, billionaire, or if you only make $30 a day. $100 can change your life, especially if you think of it over the next year, 364, 65 days. You're going to make some money. So let me show you how you can start right now. It's actually pretty simple. To make $100 a day, most people would be required to work 8 to 10 hours per day. That's not what most people want to do. Most people would like to only work a couple hours, 2, 3, 4 at the most. That would be about $25 per hour. Is that possible? Yes, it is. But how can you do that? One of the things I recommend is you sell a time-saving service. But what does that mean? What I call a time-saving service is something that you sell that saves somebody else their time. That could be something like you're going to do a lawn care service. You're going to sell somebody the ability where you come in and you mow their lawn, you pull the weeds, you clean their house, you make their dinner for them. That would be a time-saving service. But I want to show you how to make money online. So here's what I recommend. Become an online graphic designer. Now, hold up a second. You're probably thinking to yourself, I don't have the software. You said no investment. I'm going to show you the tool you can use that's absolutely free that you can use right now. All you got to do, sign up, which is free. Just put in your email address or sign up through Google or Facebook. Again, absolutely free. You sign up and then you sell a service such as an online graphic designer. And I'm also going to show you how you can learn how to use this tool, which again, pretty cool being that it's free. So I want to show you a couple things really quick. I actually have 4 things I'm going to list right here, and actually number 5 is going to be a bonus tip. But a YouTube channel header you can sell easily for $8. The reason why is because most people charge anywhere between $5 to about $20 for a YouTube channel header, and you can charge about $8. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. A Facebook header, about $7. The reason why it's cheaper is because if you're doing a YouTube header, it doesn't take much to change the right side of the header, which would completely change it to make it more fit better for Facebook instead of YouTube. And again, very simple stuff. I'm going to show you how to do it in a second. Next thing, 5 YouTube thumbnails. You sell it for $20. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you package all this stuff up in just a second. 5 YouTube thumbnails. You're selling it for $20. 5 thumbnails, normally this is going to cost, or someone's going to pay between $25 to $50 to have 5 of them done. And that is for, decent work. And most people are thinking, well, why undersell it? Well, the reason why you're going to undersell it is because later on, you're going to charge more for it. You're going to double the price of your service and make more money. Okay? Next thing, 5 Pinterest graphics for $15. You're already doing the YouTube thumbnail. All you got to do is take the majority of that thumbnail over, do a little bit, a little bit of text, change it up a little bit, make it fit for Pinterest, and there you go. You got 5 Pinterest graphics, sell for $15. If you add all those up, that's a total of $50. Now, all you need is 2 clients per day. But like I said, I'm going to show you how to do this. That's the difference between what most people tell you how to do something. I want to show you how to do it. Now, before I jump in and show you, number 1, how you can use the tool to make those free graphics, okay, I'm going to show you that, but I'm also going to show you how you go and how I go to find different people to sell a service to. But the first thing I just want you to understand is this business, yes, this is a business, it's a service, but again, it is a business. It requires effort and time on your part. You got to put it in. You got to put in the time. You got to put in the effort. If you do, you can be successful. I know this for a fact because I've shown many people how to do this exact same thing, not just with YouTube and Facebook, but with Instagram, with Twitter, with Google. Okay, I've shown people how to do a lot of this stuff, and they're doing very well. So you can too. So this right here is the tool I use. It's called Canva.com. You can see it up here, see it down here. It's called Canva.com. The reason why I use this tool is because number one, it's very easy to use. Number two, we said we want to do a Facebook cover. Okay, there it is right there. We also said we want to do a YouTube header. Let's see if we can find it. Look at this one right here. Is this Pinterest? A Pinterest graphic right here. Cool. All right. So all we can do is click on it. Now we can also do YouTube. YouTube is, and we can go do it. There's YouTube thumbnail right here. So let's say I want to do a YouTube thumbnail. Okay. So I'm gonna click on that, and Canva is gonna now populate the page. It's all coming up. So if we're gonna do a thumbnail for, let's say this one, we're gonna do it for food. Here's what we could do. We could easily change these graphics. We can move them around. We can change this one right here, move it this way a little bit. Make this image a little bit bigger, make it pop. Okay? Maybe we need to extend it. We can do that. We can extend it. Look at that. Look at that right there. How does that look? Maybe we want to make these words right here a little bit bigger. We can do that. Come up here. We want to make it 64. All right, we're going to do that. We're going to move it up here a little bit. Maybe we're going to add an arrow. We can do a lot of stuff because you got a lot of things right here. Okay, we can add different elements. We can pull stuff in off the computer, off Google, and make it work here. Got graphics, okay? A lot of different stuff. We got shapes, okay? You can make it very unique based on what somebody wants and based on what you like, all right? And that's pretty simple. Then you just go download it, okay? Very easy. Now I know you're thinking, I thought this too when I first used Canva, but it's like, okay, it's easy, but it's because you've used it before, right? That's probably what you're saying to yourself, that I've used it. Yeah, I have. And it's very easy. But it wasn't easy to start. I had to figure out how to use the software. So I actually came to YouTube. Okay, the power of YouTube. I absolutely love YouTube. You probably know that. Came up here, how to make YouTube thumbnails with Canva. Look at this. How to make YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Okay, 8,000 views. 91% people like it. Cool. Here's another one. Create amazing free YouTube thumbnails using Canva. 2,000 views. All right. Look at this one. Canva tutorial. How to make your own thumbnails for YouTube videos. Okay. That's actually a pretty cool thumbnail, right? I'd say so. I'd click on this one. Okay. You can come to this one. Nick Nimmin right here. How to make YouTube thumbnails for free online. My guess is he's using Canva, but I have no idea. Okay. Custom YouTube thumbnails using Canva tutorial. No software needed. Cool. They're going to teach me exactly how to make a thumbnail using Canva. Well, what if I don't want to make a thumbnail, want to make a Pinterest graphic? All you got to do, come up here and change this. How to make a Pinterest graphic with Canva. Simple. All you got to do is use YouTube, use the search function, and you'll find the answers you're looking. The other thing I told you I would show you is how do I go about finding clients, people that I could actually get in front of and show them the service that I'm, kind of showing you right here. And it's actually pretty simple, okay? I come to YouTube, the power of YouTube. Yes, absolutely love YouTube. I typed in lawn care, Texas. Lawn care, Texas. Not very great keywords, but I typed it in. Now, if I type in lawn care, Texas, I could type in lawn care, Dallas. I could type in lawn care, California, lawn care, Washington, lawn care, Nevada, lawn care, Arizona, lawn care, New York, lawn care, Miami, lawn care, Florida, lawn care, so on and so forth. I could seriously keep going. I could make this video hours long by going over the states, the cities. I could even go into counties. Even I could go into more, broader area, but I'm not going to do that. So I typed that in lawn care, Texas, and it brought up a bunch of different videos. Here you can see them over here. Okay, what I did is I clicked on a few different ones. I clicked on Eclipse Lawn Care. I clicked on B&B Lawn Care. I think I clicked on Lawn Care Life, and I clicked on some other one. I don't remember which one. But let's say I come to this one right here. Right here is what Lawn Care Life. 35,000 subscribers. He did a video 4 days ago. Did one a week ago. Did one another week ago. Did one 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, and so on and so forth. The reason why I'm telling you this is because I can come here And I can look at these, okay, could these be better? This is actually pretty good, right? This is actually not bad to overseed or not. Overseeding Bermuda lawns with ryegrass. Okay? Looking at that, I could make this better. How? I'm not explaining, kind of how, but I could make this better. This one right here, live conference. This one's not too bad. Talking lawn care spray rig setups. Could this one be better? Yes, it could. All these could be better. Because of that, I could sell my YouTube thumbnail service, right? Pretty simple. And if I sell that and I sell with the YouTube, if I want to change this, maybe he wants a better one. Okay. For number one, I'd probably get rid of his face over here. He's right here. Alabama lawn care. Cool. Okay. Just keep making it better. Make it different. Maybe put an arrow down so that they get the free 101 lawn business Q&A thing. Okay. Cool. I could do that as well. Now, that's one thing I could do, and I could also sell him on maybe Instagram posts. If he has an Instagram account, I could sell him on, he has a Google Plus page, so maybe sell him something there. Okay? The other thing I could do is if he's trying to, because it's start lawn care business, equipping you for lawn care success. One thing I could do is if I came here and typed in how to start a lawn care business, okay, type that in. Let's just see what pops up. Is he on there anywhere? I have no clue. But what I do know is that's a poor keyword to go after. Okay? Maybe in Alabama. Okay? The guy says he's in Alabama. Okay? Cool. Lawn Care Life. There he is. Okay? Number 2. That's a good keyword to go after. Okay? I could also find other keywords to go after as well. How to start a lawn care business. How to start a lawn care company, okay? And I could offer that as a bonus. I'm going to go and I'm going to find you 5 more keywords that are going to be easy for you to rank for. All you got to do is shoot a video for them. Simple, right? That's something I can do. Now, when I told you I typed in Lawn Care Texas, I went to this guy's channel right here, Lawn Care Life. Also landed on this person's channel right here, Eclipse Lawn Care. Don't you think this right here could be better? Could be more suited for people doing lawn care or looking for a lawn care service? Yeah. So I could sell them that. That's going to be what, $8. Okay? Based on the pricing that I showed you. All right? Right here. Could I do a better thumbnail? Could I actually go in and do some keyword research for him? He could change the keywords, hopefully get him more views on his videos. Yeah, I could do that as well. Okay? Could I do something for Pinterest to try to get him some more exposure outside of YouTube? I could do that too. Is he on Facebook? I have no idea, but I could find out. Okay? So, Eclipse Lawn Care, he probably has a phone number somewhere. I'm going to click the About page. Let's see if it's there. Well, he has a website, or he has an Instagram page, has a Facebook page. Okay? 2 things that are good for what I'm trying to show him. He has a website right here, or actually merch, and then he has an email address. So, if I want to offer my services, I can come down here, click view email address, or he already gives it to me right here. So why not just send him an email and see if there's something that I could provide for him, right? Same thing with this one right here. This one is B&B Lawn Care, 24,000 subscribers, okay? Could the thumbnails be a little bit better? I think so, okay? Does he have a Facebook page? Don't know. Over here, it's the YouTube channel, Google Plus page, and then he has a website, okay? So I could go and offer something for his website. Same thing. The About page. Does he have an email address? Yes, he does. I can click on it, view the email address, and then send him an email and offer my services. It's that simple. One of the reasons why I show people how to make $100 a day online using this simple service technique is because everybody could utilize this service. Not this specific one in general, but something like this. Like I said, if you don't have time to make dinner, you could hire somebody to do it. You can go to a fast food restaurant, or you can go just to a regular restaurant, and you're pretty much hiring them to make your dinner. You pick it up, you take it home, you eat it. Same thing when it comes to cleaning your house. You hire a maid service. They come in, they clean your house. It's all clean. You save 4 hours of your time, but it costs you, $120. No big deal. I'll pay that. And you just saved your 4 hours. Maybe you're doing something even better. You're on vacation. You were relaxing. You're sitting in the pool for 4 hours. Is it worth your time? Never know. That's why I recommend you sell a service that is going to save somebody else their time. Because when somebody else is trying to decide, is it worth my time to change the tires on my car or change the oil, why don't you just take your car down to the auto shop? They're going to charge you $80 to change your oil compared to you spending $40 on the same stuff over at AutoZone, and you save the $40, but it takes you an hour to change your oil. Is it worth it? It's up to you. That is exactly what I'm showing you right here. And again, this is just one service. Okay, figure out a service that you can provide, that you can offer other people, and I guarantee you can start making money. So, if you have any questions on how this works, or if you have an idea and you just want to run it by me, you can always comment down in the comment section below. I'm here to help you guys out any way that I can, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you want more videos on just ways to make money online, and I'll see you guys on the next one.